Okay, so just very briefly, I'm going to jump out along the Ring of Kerry. So specifically in an area known as the Gap of Dunloe. Now, it's absolutely lashing outside, so just want to show you very, very quickly, because it is beautiful, but it's horrendous there this morning. Wait till this van goes by. It's very narrow roads, but I have an idea now. I'll turn it around. So you have to one way, so I'm pulled in on the side. Now you get out really quickly. So you have an idea of the rain that's here. This is the Gap of Dunloe. Well, that specifically is the Gap of Dunloe. It is very nice, it's just very also horrible. And all the waterfalls. Okay, that's enough.